Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Flute Art Studio, and I have tried to convince myself that I wasn't going to use these leftovers, but I think I am. It's just all there is to it. So I'm going to put down some Sherwin Williams eggshell paint, and probably not all that much. And I'm going to let it spread out a little bit because the paint that I've got in my dish is a healthy dose. Excuse me while I tuck the ties in that get into paint on my comfortable studio attire. Alright, that's instantly, I know that's too much paint. But I am going to let it spread around. And if it's heavy, it'll spread nicely. Less spinning. Almost there. Should have done it in advance. I apologize for taking your time up. Alright, so this is what I've got. Actually, this is what I've got, which I just want to use up, and I wish I had put that in first. That's pretty fresh. That's like from today. It's already time to change my water. I don't know what I'm going to get. I don't even know if I'm going to use cell activator. But I am going to use this paint up. And worst case scenario, I let it dry on my silicone mat, peel it up and throw it away tomorrow. Just got to do that sometimes. Now the question for my own question to myself is, do I want to use a cell activator? And I'm thinking that if I do, I might want to just grab a very small acetate tool and or a palette knife and choose a color, which in this case I think I would appreciate being a combination of the Pebeo Iridescent Blue Violet, which is a beautiful pink, and some black. If it's available, and it was available. Fortunately, I've got my stainless steel very sharp tweezers. They're on my Amazon link on the link tree below Show More. I recommend them. So there's the black, and there's the blue violet. That looks like I pulled a lot of paint, but it also is making me want to go ahead and use the brother color, or whatever what you want to call it, the sibling, Pebeo Iridescent Blue Green. And maybe in more than one place. Or maybe just leave it and see what happens. Get these out of here and give it a spin. I'm imagining we'll spin quite a bit of paint off, to be honest. And I haven't spun yet today. And spinning is always fun. Am I really done? I don't know if I'm really done. I still want more. The iridescent blue-green. And I think I really do, want to grab a palette knife and move some of my paint already to the edge. One more. And I'm not sure if I don't actually want to move that a little bit. It's got some great stripes in it, that's for sure. Now we're going to spin. Get all of my tools out of here because I think there's a lot of paint on there, probably more than I anticipated. Let's move that back a little bit. Now I can scoop and drag this because I know the paint's so heavy. I like the negative space left behind. I didn't pull any little marks or anything, which is something a lot of people do, and they work really well for them. They're beautiful, but I'm not sure that I feel like I need them. I might just like this as simple as this is, but I'm also capable of putting some more paint on the spots that are missing. I think most of my edges are covered now, which would imply the possibility that I won't have any cracking. And as much as I'm tempted to add some more paint and keep playing, I can just do another painting. And I think that that's not a good idea right now. I think this is pretty cool just the way it is, sort of kind of sublime. I might have to spin one more time. I see that I have paint still wanting to move out. Where'd that bubble go? I had a bubble in my sights. I might spin twice. I almost have, I see that's covering itself nicely now. And whatever isn't covered, I will cover. I've got some beautiful, oh wow, that blue in there. I know what that comes from. That comes from the pink being added to the black. So I'm a Colourarte affiliate, and there's a Colourarte website and 20% off coupon code underneath the video. This looks like some of the other ones I've done, but I really like it. I'm wondering why nothing is in focus. Today I'm having an issue. Hopefully that whole video wasn't out of focus, which I suspect the last one may have been. Alright, so I love you guys. Please give me a thumbs up in any case. Hopefully it's in focus. Otherwise I'm going to have to just shuffle it off to some other channel. But I love you guys. I love these stripes. I will be hitting it quickly with a torch. Probably not a good idea for everyone who's inexperienced. Things do tend to skim over. I think this is delicious, just the way it is, and I'm looking forward to doing another. So check my link tree for my Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist, Fluid Art Studio Appreciation Group. My Amazon link has my 2 books on it. Thank you guys for helping keep my studio rolling by making donations through PayPal. And those of you who've joined the memberships, I hope that you are enjoying the library for members only of 60 videos. I do sell my artwork. I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I always appreciate your thumbs up, and your comments keep my morale boosted. So thank you very much. And thank you for shopping. my Legalerist, my Society 6, my spring clothing, my... It's not Pinterest. I don't know why I say that. It's Fine Art America and Pixels.com. And if you can't find what you're looking for, please just mention it to me and I can add something. My glasses need cleaning really badly, or they're the wrong pair. Spring clothing below the video is also available. Did I say that twice? In any case, I love you guys. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.